All right, awesome job so far, team. Okay, so we're going to get into our core work. You got a lot of work to do. I'm going to model how to do this for your first source, and then you are going to be responsible for independently working through the rest of your sources. So, again, we are thinking about, should Americans celebrate Columbus Day? Okay, that is our big question. To get to that question, we're going to use this graphic organizer to help us out. So I went ahead for source. I'm going to do this for source A. So I went ahead and just wrote source A. For sourcing, for who wrote this document, when did they write it, what's their point of view, what was their purpose, and who was their audience. So I'm going to go through and look and start to answer this question. So why should we celebrate Columbus Day? The Order Sons of Italy and America. In DC, here is the website, and it's retrieved July 8th, 2016. I'm going to go ahead, copy, paste that date for the win. I'm going to put who wrote it, and it looks like it was written by the Order Sons of Italy in America. What's their point of view? I'm going to skim through. According to its websites, its missions include, etc. Okay. Columbus Day recognizes the achievements of a great Renaissance explorer who founded the first permanent European settlement. I see that word great. That tells me that they have a positive view of Columbus. The arrival of Columbus in 1492 marks the beginning of a recorded history in America. After Columbus came millions of European immigrants who brought their art, music, science, medicine, philosophy, and religious principles to America. These contributions have helped shape the United States. Columbus Day is a patriotic holiday. In fact, the Pledge of Allegiance was written in 1892 in honor of the 400th anniversary of his first voyage. Columbus Day is the only day on which the nation recognized the heritage of an estimated 26 million Italian Americans. Wow. Okay. So they list all the contributions. They say these contributions have helped shape the United States. So I'm going to go, what's their point of view? Their point of view is that Columbus Day should be celebrated. When I think about their purpose, to me, they're bringing in lots of evidence saying it's a patriotic holiday. The Pledge of Allegiance is written in honor of his first voyage. It recognizes the heritage of 26 million Italian Americans. That tells me that the purpose is to explain why Columbus Day, I spelled Columbus wrong, that happens sometimes, Day should be celebrated. Audience, honestly, I would argue two things. One, I could argue it was all Americans. I could also argue that it's Italian Americans because they're saying that it's recognizing the heritage, but I'm going to go ahead and just put Americans. Cool. Okay, does the source support the idea of celebrating Columbus Day? Yes, it does. What evidence is provided? I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy paste. No use in retyping. Columbus Day recognized the achievements of a great Renaissance explorer. After Columbus came millions of European immigrants. These contributions have helped shape the United States. I'm going to put that in. I'm just going to add in this whole sentence. In fact, Pledge of Allegiance was written to honor it. And since we say the Pledge of Allegiance, we used to say the Pledge of Allegiance every day when I was a kid, but so it's very much ingrained in my brain. And then, okay, and then it's asking me, what questions does this document raise? For me, to be honest, I'm curious about what other groups think Columbus should be celebrated and why. I'm honestly just really curious about that. Okay. Oh, and I have another typo. Sweet. All right. So now you're going to go ahead and do this for source B through the rest. You got this.